Few motorcycle brands have stood the test of time like Indian motorcycles, a name synonymous with innovation, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. Among their storied lineup, one model reigns supreme, earning the title of the sexiest Indian motorcycle of all time. A machine that not only defined an era but continues to capture the imagination of enthusiasts worldwide. Today, we dive deep into the Indian 4, an engineering masterpiece that remains a symbol of elegance and technical brilliance. Founded in 1901 in Springfield, Massachusetts, Indian motorcycles set the gold standard for American motorcycle manufacturing. With a commitment to quality and innovation, the company revolutionized motorcycling with models that were as functional as they were beautiful. But it was the Indian 4, produced from the late 1920s to 1942, that truly defined what a motorcycle could be. Known for its sleek design, unparalleled smoothness, and groundbreaking engineering, this bike became a symbol of luxury and performance, earning its place in history as an icon of style and sophistication. The Indian 4 was a sight to behold. Its sculpted fenders, streamlined bodywork, and impeccable proportions exuded elegance. The bold red paint, accented with hand-applied gold leaf pinstriping, made it unmistakable on the road. Chrome details shimmered in the sunlight, adding a layer of refinement rarely seen in motorcycles of its time. The iconic leaf spring front suspension and rigid rear frame ensured a clean, classic silhouette, while the exposed engine components added a touch of mechanical beauty. This wasn't just a motorcycle. It was a rolling piece of art. At the heart of the Indian 4 was its revolutionary 4-cylinder engine. Initially based on the designs of the Ace Motorcycle Company, Indian refined and perfected the concept, creating a 77 cubic inch inline 4 powerhouse. This engine delivered unparalleled smoothness with a unique firing order, 1-3-2-4, that eliminated vibration, making for an incredibly refined ride. The transition to paired cast cylinders and aluminum heads in later models improved cooling efficiency, addressing one of the biggest challenges of its design. Paired with a 3-speed transmission, the Indian 4 offered effortless performance, whether cruising down country roads or dominating city streets. Its sound was distinctive, soft, even, and almost melodic, a stark contrast to the throaty rumble of its V-twin competitors. The Indian 4 wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a statement. Marketed as the Cadillac of motorcycles, it was favored by police departments, celebrities, and motorcycle aficionados alike. Its blend of luxury and performance made it the motorcycle of choice for those who demanded the best. Its limited production numbers add to its mystique, with fewer than 3,000 units produced annually in its prime. Today, it stands as one of the most sought-after collector's items in the motorcycle world, fetching astronomical prices at auctions and earning a permanent place in museums and private collections. The Indian 4 represents the pinnacle of American motorcycle engineering, a harmonious blend of form and function, power and poise. Its timeless design and groundbreaking features make it more than just a motorcycle. It's a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of its creators. So, is the Indian 4 truly the sexiest Indian motorcycle of all time? Its curves, its craftsmanship, and its legacy seem to leave little room for doubt. But we'd love to hear from you. What's your pick for the most iconic Indian motorcycle? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey into motorcycle history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the machines that shape the world. Until next time, ride safe and keep the legacy alive.